How to design a stunning coffee packaging in 5 steps with AI tools. Today, let's take a look at how Anavis Designer can create stunning coffee packaging designs. Following a tutorial with the help of AI tools. Step 1. Get exclusive design inspiration. We use Packify to generate the AI packaging ideas. Just chat with the AI bot about your requirements, such as product, brand, theme, color, and style you want to be shown in the design. Click the magic generate button and wait for the surprise moment. You can repeat these steps again and again until you get a satisfied creativity. Step 2. Find a suitable model for packaging. In this part, we use the famous 3D mockup tool Pandora. You can search models for coffee packaging and choose one you like best. Step 3. Start designing. Firstly, we need to find some design material. Then create your graphic design. Step 4. Make the mockup and rendering. Click the model we chose in Step 2 and enter to the classic Pandora editor. After the mockup is completed, click the 3D design button and render it to a photo-level image. Step 5. Take photograph with AI tool. We still use Packify in this step. And upload the mockup we designed in Step 4. Select your favorite background style and click the magic button again. The result is cool. It is the same, even better than human photographer. Thanks for AI tools for freeing the hands of designers. See you next time.